Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r/c: and hit enter to execute this command. Now we need to type this command c: and simply press enter. Now type cd space c: / and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space Windows and press enter. Type cd space system32 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *.* space backup and hit enter. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space *.* space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Now type dir and hit enter. Type copy space *.* space .. and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now execute this command cd space c: /. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcd edit space /exports space c: /bcd backup, then hit enter. Now type cd space c: / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space c: / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c: /boot /bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Now type ren space c: /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.